Research says that heart attacks can occur at any time. When they happen in the dead of the night, getting the patient to a hospital in time becomes difficult. That's where the ambulance fleet of Bhailal Amin General Hospital steps in. Available on call 24/7, these sentinels provide a vital service to those in urgent need of cardiac care. The Bhailal Amin Heart Center at BAGH has pioneered cardiac care in the region through its Heart Command Center. The Heart Command Center is a fully integrated modern facility that offers comprehensive heart care. A patient suffering from a cardiac event is rapidly stabilized and closely monitored by an experienced and specialized heart care team. A battery of diagnostic tests are conducted to assess the situation. The diagnostic results are studied by the clinical team that includes senior cardiologists and intensivists. The course of action is then decided and informed to the patient as well as the attending relatives. In a cardiac event, time is of great essence. Cardiac events that are attended to within the first golden hour have a high chance of complete recovery. The integrated service that BAGH offers reduces this interim waiting period, enabling the cardiac team to act quickly and decisively. Patients needing a detailed investigation are referred for an angiography. The BAGH Cath Lab has the latest imaging and diagnostic equipments. Guided by a state-of-the-art C-arm, the region's best cardiologists perform procedures such as angiography and angioplasty. In cases where heart surgery is required, patients are shifted to a dedicated cardiac OT. A closely knit team works with experienced cardiac surgeons to enable quality outcomes. The OT houses the latest surgical infrastructure and world-class lighting. Stringent sterilization protocols ensure that the chances of infection are minimized. Patients are shifted to the intensive cardiac care unit for post-operative monitoring. The ICCU is equipped with the latest monitoring equipments and a 1:1 patient-to-nurse ratio. Diet forms an important constituent of the post-operative recuperation. Customized diets are prepared in consultation with the clinician and a clinical nutritionist. A cardiac ward is the last stop for a patient on the way back to good health and home. The rooms are clean and well appointed, offering a nice view of the green environs. A dedicated nursing station attends to the patients while the kitchen staff provides healthy, balanced diet. It is this combination of fresh air, clean and hygienic environment, and a cheerful staff that makes recovery a pleasant experience at BAGH. While the patient recovers, it is the relatives who have to bear the waiting, complete the paperwork, manage finances, and await their dear ones' return to health. BAGH tries to make things a little easier for them. We understand that medicine cures and faith heals, which is why we have a special prayer area. Patient care coordinators are specially designated to facilitate admission procedures. The hospital provides a card payment facility and a Mediclaim lounge where the patient's relatives can complete the paperwork in comfort and also get processing assistance. BAGH also provides a mobile ICU for transferring critically ill patients. With every passing day, life becomes faster and lifestyles get more stressful. As a heart care facility, Bhailal Amin Heart Center is geared up to meet this challenge every minute of every day.